Okay, let's get these eggs together. So many ways of making this. This is the way that we're going to be doing it today. So we're going to start out with our pan with a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to add 1 cup of onion. I've chopped it really quite small. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. On an above medium heat, by the way. Salt, as much or as little as you like. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up, fresh chili. The amount is entirely up to you. 2 cups of fresh tomato. Now what we need to do with these tomatoes is cook them for maybe 5 or 6 minutes. We really want them to break down, get nice and mushy. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, so I've got a teaspoon here of chili powder, garam masala powder, and turmeric. Little mix in there. Then we're going to add the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs that I've beaten here. The ratio of tomato to egg is entirely up to you. In they go. And generally with this dish, you do the eggs well done. You know, you kind of cook them well, but again, it's up to you. If you want them slightly soft, go for it. So about there is generally where you get them. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you guys call that. Off goes the heat, little mix, job done. You're welcome.